Hey guys, it's been a few months since I've done an unboxing video. I've got several products I want to share with you all, but this is probably one of my most favorite. So if you watched my previous videos, you know that I got to ride mountain bikes with Steve Caballero. Always been a fan since I was a kid, obviously Bones Brigade. So I have here, well, I already know what it is, a Steve Caballero deck, but it's not just a regular deck. Steve Caballero does what's called an artist series on his website, and this is my first artist series board. So cool, thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your authentic Steve Caballero gear. And there's a whole paragraph here, but I'm not going to get into that right now. Ooh. Very nice. All right. So, this is the Cab Salad deck. Modeled after the Steve Caballero Dragon deck. As far as the artwork and the shape. But if you look closely, the dragon's eating the famous Cab Salad. So that's what this is, the Cab Salad deck. Cab Salad is available at a pizza restaurant in downtown LA called Pizzanista. And then if you look here, signature on the front of the deck, 180 out of 200. Pretty cool to have this. I know he's got some other awesome artist series decks, and hopefully the next one is more geared towards skateboarding. Like I saw one actually where the dragon is sitting in a Vans shoe with wheels underneath it, and that to me, I can't wait to get my hands on one of those or something similar. So thanks for watching. Cool to have finally my first signed Steve Cab deck, and stay tuned for more.